I have always wanted to create a video game. However, I never really had the skills to actually do it. Lucky for me, in November of 2022, ChatGPT was released, which is a great assistant in learning how to code and actually help you with making video games. Today I gave myself the challenge to create a video game exclusively using this software. I started off by looking for an idea online, and I quickly found the video game PONG. PONG is one of the first video games that was ever created. This simple tennis-like game features two paddles and a ball. The goal is to defeat your opponent by being the first one to gain 10 points. A player gets a point once the opponent misses the ball. After learning about this game, I asked ChatGPT for the source code. It gave me quite an advanced version of PONG, where the paddles are both controlled by players. However, I wanted one paddle to be controlled by a player and one by a computer. So I asked ChatGPT to fix that. Quickly I noticed that there were two major things missing. First, a point system, and second, a way for the game to end. First, I asked ChatGPT to add a way for the game to end. It returned a way for the game to end when the ball touches the left hand side or the right hand side, so you have to rally in between of those. After that, I asked ChatGPT to add a play count, which we used later for other features. This play count counts the amount of rallies that have been inside of the game. Now that I've finished the base game, we can start adding other features. I decided that I wanted to add the following features. First, I started off with speeding up the ball movement after a certain amount of plays. I wanted to do this to increase difficulty over time as you play this game. I decided on increasing the ball speed after 5 plays. As you can see, we used the counter from before to generate this new feature. After that, I decided to add a starting screen so the player can start whenever they feel like it. Luckily, this was quite an easy implementation. Then I wanted to add power-ups. I did this by creating these red little balls which pop up over time. Then I asked ChatGPT to load them up with the following power-ups. However, this resulted in the following. After asking ChatGPT to fix this, it promptly did, which led into the following. A power-up which slows the ball down, a power-up which makes it so that the paddle size increases, and a power-up which makes the ball flash. Finally, I had one more thing left, to add sound effects. I looked some up on YouTube and then I edited them down. After that, I asked ChatGPT to add them into the game, which led into the final finished game that you see on display now. Now, if you would like to play this game for yourself, I have left a link in the description to the text that you can put into your text editor. If you have enjoyed this video, please leave a like and perhaps subscribe. Also, you can leave a comment about what you'd like me to do next. But until then, see you next time.